Keep learning, keep growing. Write the correct pronoun. A. My son loves sweets. These sweets are for him, his, her. तो R for him. B. Shalini is reading a book. Is very intelligent. तो शालिनी के लिए C. C is very intelligent. Mr. Mathur is a good teacher. Teaches us English. He, she, him. तो ब्लैंक में he teaches us English. My school is good. Is colorful. It, it's, he. It is colorful. Underline the adjective sentences below. My cat has short tail. इस सेंटेंस में एडजेक्टिव है short. He is an honest boy. एडजेक्टिव honest, ईमानदार. An elephant has long ears. एडजेक्टिव वर्ड long, लंबे कान. चीता is a fast runner. इस सेंटेंस में एडजेक्टिव है फास्ट. तो एडजेक्टिव होंगे शॉर्ट, ऑनेस्ट, लॉन्ग और फास्ट. कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.